This video will briefly show you how to use Autodesk Inventor Pro 2019 to run a stress analysis on a simple square rod. So this rod is 12 inches long with a 1 inch by 1 inch profile. So to start with a finite element analysis, I go up to the simulation and stress analysis. I can create a new study. Then I will specify the material so that I can get an accurate display of the deformation. Let's just say I pick copper and add that to the document. Then I will add a couple of fixed constraints on the two ends of the rod. Next, I will add a force load to the center top face. Make it 200 pounds. And then hit the solve button. And almost instantly, I have a deformed result with a heat map of where the highest von Mises stress is on the piece. And it's super simple and super quick to get an idea of how a design will react in a certain situation.